Everyone needs some time for self indulgence. It rejuvenates us and keeps us happy. So, how about having a special cozy corner for this in your house? Want to stay glued to a book or play guitar? Your cozy corner is the answer. It will embrace you when you just need that break. Spend favorite part of your day here. Doesn't this idea excite you? Yes? Then let's get going and make your me time cozy, memorable, and exciting. Hello everyone, I am Anupati and you are watching my channel The Good Spaces. I hope you are doing great and in the best of health. So this video will give you an insight into the must-haves of a cozy corner. Discover how to choose the perfect place for it and ways to personalize it and much more as the video progresses. So now without any delay, let's get to work. So the first thing that goes into making a cozy corner is choosing the right place for it. So इसके लिए आप अपने बेडरूम का कोई छोटा सा कॉर्नर चूज कर सकते हैं या फिर लिविंग रूम का भी. बट मेक श्योर कि आप जो भी एरिया चूज करें दैट इज वेल लिट एंड वेल वेंटिलेटेड एंड आई स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड दिस फॉर एवरी कोजी कॉर्नर. सो मैं आपको ये सेटअप 2 डिफरेंट स्पेसेस में करके दिखाऊंगी. सो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. ये मेरे लिविंग रूम का एक छोटा सा एरिया है. It has a window and it's basically a recessed area, so it's perfect for my cozy corner. Friends, I have already done a makeover video of this space. So by end of the video, you'll also get an idea how you can style same space in 2 different ways. और इसका जो वॉल डेकोर है जो इस स्पेस में हम लोग करने वाले हैं दैट इज ऑल DIY. So there are many more interesting things coming your way. So stay tuned and now let's get into the style. This is a picture ledge और इसको मैं ये 2 artwork से स्टाइल कर रही हूँ. I've chosen objects of different heights. So these are the DIY wall decor I was talking about. And I simply love the way these have turned out, and these were a huge hit on my Instagram page as well as on YouTube. So अगर अभी तक आपने ये videos नहीं देखे हैं तो please do check them out. Link description box में है. And now let us style the wall. Let us start with this one. And can you guess what is this colored portion on this DIY? Any guesses? No? Then you should definitely watch the DIY video. And this one goes here. Looks pretty, no? और यहाँ पे ये basket wall decor. And yeah, it's almost done. But I think this joy decor is a bit out of space here. Actually, it's a good idea to prepare the layout of your gallery wall first, like on the floor or any other horizontal surface, and then finalize it. पर मैं इतनी excited थी इसको करने के लिए that I almost forgot to do it. So मैंने यहाँ थोड़ी सी shuffling करी है and I have placed this wall plate here. No, it's not a DIY. It's bought from Pepper Fry. आपने ये दरी मेरे पहले के वीडियोस में भी देखी होगी. कोई भी स्पेस रीस्टाइल करने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि यू कीप ऑन बाइंग न्यू थिंग्स. आपके घर में ऑलरेडी जो भी चीज़ें हैं उन्हीं को थोड़ा रीअरेंज करके कुछ DIYs करके यू कैन ब्रिंग न्यूनेस इन योर हाउस. So this 2-seater is made up of synthetic rattan, and the beauty of rattan is that it can blend in any color scheme because these come in neutral colors, and it can be kept outdoors as well as indoors. And now to make this space cozier, I have got this throw. There are different ways to style a throw. Like आप ऐसे रख सकते हैं, neatly arranged, या फिर over the armrest. And the third one, which is my favorite, is this. Adding some throw pillows. और plants के बिना तो सब कुछ अधूरा है. Putting a table lamp. And my favorite golden money plant. Now talking about curtains, it is a good idea to go with 2 layers of it. एक sheer curtain का layer which can let light in और दूसरा regular opaque curtain का which can block light when needed. So you can also catch a quick nap in your cozy corner. So मेरे पास यहाँ पे एक ही rod का arrangement था, so I've gone with a single layer of curtain. And this space is complete after adding this footstool. एंड फाइनल रिवील के लिए आपको थोड़ा और वेट करना पड़ेगा. मीनवाइल लेट अस मेक अनदर कोजी कॉर्नर. सो ये एक बेडरूम का छोटा सा एरिया है. एंड नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस स्पेस. ये सेटअप हम लोग बेडरूम में कर रहे हैं, सो देयर इजंट मच स्पेस. सर्कुलेशन को भी ध्यान में रखना है, सो आई एम गोइंग विद दिस बेंच as it is very compact and doesn't occupy much area. You know, there are several ways a bench can be used. Like you can keep it in your foyer, in your bedroom, and in your living room to create some extra seating space. It's quite a versatile piece of furniture. And see, this space is already done. You can personalize your cozy corner in different ways, like by putting up family pictures or by displaying some of your DIY decor pieces. It always works. And now have a look at what all of you have been waiting for. I love the way this space is coming together to create a cozy and a relaxing vibe. How about you all? Let me know in the comment section. फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आप जब भी अपने लिए एक कोजी नुक बनाना चाहेंगे तो ये वीडियो जरूर काम आएगा. प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो. And if you create a cozy corner for yourself, then you can share it with me on Instagram at @thegoodspaces14. I would love to share them on my stories. So yeah, this was all for today. See you next time with another inspiring video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.